How to deactivate Shopify account. So to deactivate your account, you need to deactivate your store and cancel your Shopify plan. To do this, log into the Shopify account that you want to be deactivated. Once you're in your dashboard, scroll down to Settings on the bottom left. Now click on Settings, then proceed to the option Plan. Here, what you want to do is click on the Deactivate Trial button. A pop-up will appear, so just click anywhere, Cancel Subscription, and Deactivate Store. After that, it should ask you the main reason why you're deactivating. There will be a drop-down menu, so just select what fits your reason. Since your purpose is just to deactivate the account, just choose anything you like. Some options have follow-up questions, so you need to answer that as well. After that, just click Continue. It will ask you to enter in your store password in order to complete the process. So just input your password and click Deactivate Now. And that is how to deactivate Shopify account. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.